Welcome to Marrakesh. Well, kind of. We're actually here sitting in the heart of Los Feliz, neighboring the entertainment capital of the world, Hollywood. Behind me here is the Moroccan kasbah, which is actually owned by Sue Wong, who is a legendary, iconic fashion designer in Hollywood. Sue has seemed to take her eye for design and has moved it into the real estate industry. Let's step into Morocco and see it for ourselves. So now stepping into this dramatic foyer entrance, first thing that your eyes dart to are the custom iron-worked railings on the staircase that were designed by Sue Wong. Also found in the foyer is a great water feature here, imported from Morocco. And here what I find really interesting, and as a motif throughout the property, are these wood carved arches that you'll see leading you into most rooms of the house. So moving through into this ballroom-style living room, again, you have all this volume and space, but one of my favorite details of this room are actually the ceilings that you see here. These are hand-painted and designed by a Moroccan artist. Sue Wong's biggest inspirations were actually Marrakesh and Fes. And from those two regions of Morocco, she's found pieces like this amazing light fixture and others that you'll see throughout the home. The layout of the home allows for both private areas, but also entertainment space as well. As we enter into the formal dining room, your attention immediately heads towards this massive wood dining table. A table like this gives you the opportunity to have all your friends over and have the biggest cocktail party or the most intimate scenes that you would need. What better place to throw a great party than this amazing entertainment room? The amount of volume and space in this room is second to none. You can see this entertainment bar area, also with this dramatic light fixture, and of course this amazing velvet couch built for this corner of the room. Tell me this is not the most interesting tile work you've seen on the interior of a home. This is quintessential Marrakesh Fes design. And if mosaic tiles wasn't enough, we have these custom brass and gold doors that are just icing on the cake. This crimson and gold primary bedroom is a visual voyage through authentic Moroccan lifestyle. It's so massive that you actually have 4 separate rooms within the primary. If there was a word to express something more dramatic than drama alone, I would use it to describe this room. Sleeping here must feel like a palace, like you're in a Moroccan citadel. This is something for a king or queen, but you're still in the heart of Los Feliz. So thanks for visiting me here in Los Feliz, maybe Marrakesh, but we're happy to have you guys, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.